Hi guys, before I review this site, I just want you guys to hit the subscribe button and also to like this video. From what I'm going to say, you will hit the subscribe button and you will like this video, yeah? So I'm reviewing this site. I normally do little reviews and repairs and other stuff on my channel, yeah? If you guys are into recording mp3 and so forth, this course is very important. I mean, it comes with over 750 song effects and the price is pretty low. Damn, for the stuff that you will get, a lot of different song effects, and as you can see, some of them are listed here, and I just wanted to go into the folder so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You get few videos with different teaching, and these videos will help you to understand the software better and help you to master the software quick, and that's the free open software Audacity. It comes with a booklet as well, and yep, the booklet is about how many pages? Yeah, the booklet has about 21 pages, so it tells you everything that you need to know, and these are the bonus song effects here. As you can see, airplanes and so forth, airports, automobiles, yeah. So there are a lot of song effects here. One of the song effects that I just downloaded, these are the super rated top quality song effects. As you can see here they are, and it's 100 of them. My thing is, one of the thing is, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to try and see how I can just extract. I don't want to extract the whole folder, but let me just extract the whole folder and done. Okay, so while that is being extracted, when you order the course, that is if you decide on doing it, I mean, it's pretty low. This is the download page that you will go and you will download the files, yeah? So I just extracted the stuff. I just extracted some of the song effects. You guys should look into these. That's one of these song effects. My earphone is plugged in, so let me go ahead and plug it out. So if you guys like to do different creative stuff with song effects, I recommend this course to you guys. And I just suggest that you guys look into this website. You know, I just got a lot of cool stuff. I'm pretty sure that they would curb back the price a bit more high at some point. It says within the next 24 hours. Maybe they would probably leave it for 48 hours. I don't know how quick they will carry this back up. At first I was a bit skeptical, and after coming back after 24 hours I realized that the price was still the same, so I ordered, and yeah, I like it. So guys, trust me, they would care about the price soon, I believe. So if you guys like to, you can look into this website. You get some good stuff from there. So I'm just reviewing this website, yeah. So remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video as I push good informative information out there.